Hello everyone, this is Manasa, working in St. Martin's Engineering College as an assistant professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today I am going to discuss about web technologies. Web technologies is a collection of graphics, animations and so on, the process of communication between the internet and web browser. In HTML tags we are using to create the web pages and web applications. In HTML is a hypertext markup language. It used to create the web pages and websites. So HTML used to create the structure of the content of the web. HTML is a markup language, not only a programming language. It means the text of defining how the structure will be displayed in the web pages. Next, we are going to form the websites and completing the CSS. CSS means cascading style sheets. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It used to create the structure of web pages. Markup language is a computer language that is used to applying the layout of the conversion of text documents. And markup is used to interacting with the dynamical and can be used to text, images, tables, links, etc. All HTML documents starts with the type declaration as doc type HTML. In this doc type HTML, it begins with HTML and ends with /HTML. It visible part of HTML documents between body and it is the starting type of body and we are closing with this /body. This is the closing tag, this is the opening tag. For example, HTML head in body my new web page. Body close, head close, and we are closing the HTML. This is the example of the HTML tag. Simple example of HTML tags. This is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. Next, head. Head will be open and after that head will be closed. We are giving some content in title. Title, we are creating a new web page. Filename.html. We are saying in filename.html. It will be displayed in the Chrome. It show the output in Chrome like HTML new page. Here we can see the output. This is the first web page. Displaying the header. To display the HTML header tags, you can use the HTML tags with the H1 to H6 like HTML head title my new web page and we are closing the title tag and we are closing the head tag. After that, after closing the head tag, we are opening the body tag. In that body tag, we are using this H1 is the first header of the H1. We are closing the H1 tag. After that, we are using H2. This is the second header and we are closing the H2 tag. After that, we are using H3. H3 is the third header of the, we are closing H3 tag. H4 is the fourth tag. We are closing the H4 fourth tag. Opening and closing. We get the output like this. First tag using the big, second one is small, and third one is a little bit small, and fourth one is after that closing. Fourth one is this one is very small. Setting font styles. Text alignment. In this HTML, head, opening, closing. In body, H1, div align equal to center. This align has a center, div closing, H1 closing. In div align left, this is the left alignment of div tag. Div alignment is right, line alignment for at right, line element of output. This is the line as a left. By using this is the center tag. By using this is the right tag. Web page background colors. Now we are going to discuss. HTML. We are opening the HTML tag. After that, we are going to head tag. After closing the hashtag, this is the title. Background changing in title. In background, we are giving light color. Here H1, hello reader, my name is Sachin, welcome to the SMEC. And we are going to close the H1 tag, and body tag we are closing, and closing we are HTML tag. We are getting the output like this. We are changing the background. This is the hello reader, my name is Sachin, welcome to SMEC. We are changing the background colors. Now HTML tags. This is a command tag, it is not displaying in the browser. We are using paragraph tag, doc type HTML. After that HTML, body will be starts. And in this, they are giving some content. It's going to display like this. This is the paragraph tag. After that, we are giving the hyperlink tag as a line. The A is a tag defined with hypertext, which is used from one page to another page. First, we are going to discuss the doc type is the HTML. In HTML, we are using the body tag. H1 is the element of the H1 tag, and we are closing the H1 tag. After that, we are closing the body tag, and after we are closing the HTML tags. In that href, this is the link. In break tag is inserting a single line break. This break tag is useful to retain the address of the program. This break tag is the empty tag, which means it will be start and ending the tags. It lines not be placed between the paragraphs. And order it starts with the OL tag, and each item it starts with LI is a line tag. The list of the items will be marked with the numbers and the users. HTML lists. In HTML list, we are specifying the information. All the containers are list elements. There are 3 types. In these 3 types, we have HTML tag, body tag, head tag, HTML unordered list. HTML UL tags is defined by unordered bullet list. And unordered list starts with UL tags, and each item list starts with the LI tag. And it will be listed items making all bullets with a small circle, which is very difficult to understand. By using that one, by HTML doc type, HTML heads, we are using colors in this. By color names, we are using this type of code. In this HTML doc type, HTML body, we are opening. And here H1 style background color is tomato, means red color. After H1 tag background is orange, we are giving. And H1 tag you are using blue color. After that sea green color, gray color, and stay blue color, violet color, and light green color. And after that we are closing the body, and after that we are doing the HTML tag. We'll get the output like this. First is red color, we are getting the output. After that orange color tag, we are getting the output. After that blue color tag, we are going to display. After that sea green color is going to display. After that gray color, blue color, and violet color, light green color. It's going to display like this HTML background color tags. Next, image tags. In these image tags, HTML doc type HTML, body, HTML images, we are giving the images tags here. It will going to display like this image tag, HTML image tags. In this code will be doc type HTML, head, style, table, TRTH, border is a solid black color, and style we are closing, head we are closing, and body it will be opening. In this body tag H1 table elements, we are going to close the H1 element, table. In table TR, TH, rows and columns. In TR, we are going to month and savings. After that, closing the table row tag. After that, we are going to opening the column tag. In that column tag, January and TR is closing. After the in the table, we get output like this. A table of the element, month, saving, January, 100, February has some amount. We are giving this table element tag. In this HTML form tag, in HTML documents, this is the HTML and body tag. After that, H1 form with the radio buttons. If you are clicking the radio buttons, it's going to display the form actions like the method page of get method, and input type is the radio method. HTML name is the full name of HTML, and the label of the HTML is a label. We are closing the label tag and break tag. After that, input tag is the radio button. CSS means cascading style sheets. The name of the favorite language is CSS. So in this CSS, we are giving the ln tag, opening tag, source tag. In label tag, CSS means we are closing the label tags. Input type is the radio button. JavaScript name, language. After that, we are closing the JavaScript script tag, label tag. We are getting the output like this. Form tag with radio buttons is a HTML first one. After that, CSS and JavaScript. If you are submit button. This is the output of, program of that one. First one is doc type HTML. After that, HTML head title is the form of HTML tag. We are closing the title. We are opening the title here, and after that, closing the title. After that, we are closing the head title. We are opening the body. In that body, we have H2 registration form. Sorry. After that, closing H2 tag. In that form, file sets. In that, using legend user personal information. After that, we are closing the legend, and label entry full form of the label. We are giving the break. Input tag is equal to text name equal to name of the name. After, we are going to give the break, and the label tag enter your mail ID. We are going to close the label tag, and after that, we are doing the break tag. After that, we are opening the input tab equal to mail equal to name. After that, we are closing the break tag. Label tag, label enter your password, and we are closing the label tag. After that, password, label confirmation of password. We are closing the label tag. After that, break, label tag enter your gender. Label close, and we are starting the radio button for giving the gender. After giving the male and female, input tag equal to radio button, gender name equal to gender, value female name. After closing the female and given the break tag, input type equal to radio button and gender equal to name, value of the others. By break tag, enter your address. After that, text area we are giving the like enter your address name. After that, we are giving the input type equal to submit value. After closing the field sets, after the form is closing, after we are going to closing the body tag, after that we are closing the HTML tag. We'll get the output like this for this program. This is the registration form using the personal information. We are giving the details of the information of the personal, like enter your full name. After that, we are giving the mail ID of the candidate. We are getting the password, enter your password. After that, enter your confirmation password we are getting. Enter your gender, like male or female. Enter your address like this. After sign up, it will go into registration in the form. It will be stored in the database management system. This is the video. It is a PowerPoint presentation of the HTML tags. In HTML tag is a hypertext markup language. In this, we having HTML tag, head tag, introduction of the HTML. In this HTML, we have it will be introduced in 1993. HTML is a hypertext markup language. We are going to discuss the tags, body, which is the element of the piece of contains the heading tag, paragraph tag. After that, we are having the HTML tag, hypertext and markup language. We are going to divide two. In this doc type, HTML head, title page, head close and body close. After that, we are having the doc type declaration. This is the video and audio of the HTML. Video and audio. The next video, vector graphics. After that, storage. We are storing in the browser. We can use the template storage. Applications and web browser support. With the web browser structure, HTML works smoothly with the old browser. It was very difficult to use. This is the note. We can write in the notepad. We can execute in the browser. In web pages, this is an example of notepad. This is the we are writing the program in notepad. It will be executed in the web browser. In this, attributes also specifying the starting tag and the HTML elements having the attributes. Attributes also coming in the name of the paragraph tags. Always attributes providing the information of the HTML elements. In this HTML attributes, we having the head tag, body tag, title tag. Simple example. HTML is a hypertext markup language. After that, head tag will be there, and title tag in my new web page. After that, we are closing the title tag. After that, we are closing the head tag. Body. In this body, this is the first web page. We are closing the body tag. After that, HTML tag will be going to close. This is the output of the HTML, and this is the output of the HTML tag. Next, displaying the header tag. To display the heading tag, we can using HTML tags from H1 to H6. In HTML tag, we are using HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is not only hypertext markup language, it is a programming language also. After that, opening the HTML tag, we are going to second the title tag is head of the body. Title tag, my new web page, we are going to close the title tag. After that, we are going to close the head tag. Now we are opening the body tag. In that body tag, we have 6 tags. That H1 tag is the first tag of the header of the tag. H1 we are going to close. After that, H2, this is the second header tag. We are going to close H2 tag. After that, H3, this is the third tag. We are going to close the H3 tag. Fourth, H4, this is the fourth header tag. We are going to close H4 tag. After that, we are going to close the body tag and HTML tag. We'll get the output like this. This is the output of the tag. This is the first header tag. This will be very high. After that, this second one is little bit small. After the third one is lesser than second one. After that, fourth tag is very little bit small. Next, we are going to discussing about setting font size. In setting font size, we are giving the block, italic tag, bold tag, the images tags. We are going to discuss about in setting tags font, setting of font style. In that font style, we are giving italic and bold. In this bold, B is the break tag. In this break tag, we are using this bold tag. After that, we are going to close. This is the italic tag. We are going to change the titles. After that, string. This is the third string. We are going to close the third string. After that, break will be closed. Strike. This is the fourth. After that, going to the strike tag, we are going to close. Break. After that, we are going to close body tag and HTML tags. This is the output of the font style. We'll get like this. This is the bold. This is the italic. This is the third string. In this, they are going to strike. This is the fourth tag. We are going to strike this tag. These are the styles. After the text alignment is there. In this text element, we are giving a tag in center or left side or right side. In this, we are going to, in text alignment, we are giving the left side or right side. We can get output in center tag or left side tag or right side tag. We are using 3 types of tags here, like open. Now we are going to discuss about the text alignment. We are going the HTML tag is a hypertext markup language. Next, opening head tag. After that, we are going to close head tag. Body tag. After that, we are giving h1 is the alignment tag, div alignment equal to center. If we are giving here center means we'll get the output in like in center. This is the alignment at the center as div tag h1 we are going to close. Div align equal to left. This line is aligned at left. We are going to close the div tag. It will be display this div alignment equal to left means it will going to display the left side of the output. After that, div align equal to right. This line is assigned at right. This will get output like that in right side. After the div tag will be going to close. After that, we are going to close the body tag and HTML tag. We'll get output like this, line align output. In this output, we are giving the center tag means we're getting the output in center tag. This is the we are giving the this line element at right means it will get output in right side. After that, we're giving the left tag means it will get output like this in left side. After that, we are going to discussing about the background colors. In this background color, we can change the colors in the background. Like we are giving in this we can change the background colors like light colors, dark colors, whatever we want to wish. First, we are going to discuss HTML. Is it HTML? In this head tag, we're going to close head tag. After the title tag will be start and ending tag will be closed like this. After that, body color H1. Hello, read. My name is Sachin. Welcome to SMEC. I'm going to close H1 tag, body tag, and HTML tag. We'll get output like this. Web page of background colors. Hello, reader. My name is Sachin. Welcome to SMEC. We are changing the background color like this. We are giving green color. We can give whatever color we want, like red color, green color, like that. In that, HTML is tags. In this command, we are not displaying in the browser. We are displaying in the output in the note. We are writing in the program in Notepad. It will getting the result in browser. This is P means paragraph tag. We are giving some content like some 20 to 30 papers. We are giving in that at that time we are using the paragraph tag for giving more content in that. After that, doc type of HTML, it will going to start. After that, HTML will be HTML tag is going to open, and the body tag. In that, this is the command. This command will be going give this P means paragraph tag, and commands are not displaying in the browser. So body will be closed. We'll get output like this. This is the paragraph tag. In this paragraph tag, we are giving so many content. We can give 20 to 30 matter we can use. After that, align is a defined tag of hyperlink which you are using from one page to another page. It will be by clicking the align tag, we are giving click like this. It will going to display in output in different tags. First is the doc type HTML. After that, HTML tag, body tag, and H1 is the element of the H1, and we are going to close the H1 tag. href is a http and .smec in website. www means World Wide Web. We are using the in World Wide Web. We are getting more information in. After that, we are going to close the body tag, HTML tag. Website is a collection of web pages, and there is a collection of we are using the graphics, animations like that. In this processor, showing the interacting with the client and server. In HTML tag, this is a break tag. In this break tag, inserting a single line. After that, we are giving the break tag. Like that, we are giving so more content of we can give line to line break tags also. This is BR means break tag. In that break tag, we are using writing address or addresses. In this break tag is an empty tag, which means which can start with a name, subject, like that. After that, we are going to end of the tag. We can see the break tag entering the line of the break tag can't be space between the paragraph. After that, another tag will start with the double tag. An order list will start with the OL tag. If you are getting the double lines, we will use the OL tag for using the double lines. And each line item list item of the item starts with LI tag. LI tag means using the single tag. We are using LI means one line. Double tag OL is used for double lines of the tags. This list of the items will be marked with the numbers by defaults. And HTML list. In HTML is used to specifying the list of information. All of the information which contain one or more elements. In these three different types of HTML, ordered list or number list, unordered list or bullet list, description and definition list. In these three types, we have first one is order list. We are giving from such as we are giving example has 1 to 10. It is an order list or number list. Unordered list means bullet list. We can using in the PPTs like wish. After the description list or in this double lingual tag, first one is doc type of HTML. After that HTML, we are going to open body. In H2, an order element of HTML is H2. OL is a single list tag. Like LI is a copy of LI. We are going to close. LI is a T and we are going to close. Milk like that. In that H2 in order tags. In unordered list, in HTML, UL is a tag defines unordered bullet list. An unordered bullet list we can start from the UL tags. Each element which starts with LI tag. This is the anchor tag. We can open from starting tag and we are going to close. In this double linked, we can add the titles. Doc type, HTML, body, and unordered list of HTML. We are using the H2 tags. UL. After that, color names, doc type of HTML, HTML body. In this, we are giving H1 to H6. And we can use the color tags, different tags we are using in this. After that, this is the output of the color tags. Next, image tags. In this image tags, we can use the images. We can use the images by clicking this H2. We can, after clicking the HTML image, we can going to display in the output of we can get in Chrome like this is the image tag output. Next, HTML tag, creating a table. How we can create the table? We can see an example. First one, we can start HTML. After that, head. Next, title. In the title, we have body. In that body, table. Example, we are going to close the body. TR. TR means we are opening the tab. Like that, we are giving TH tag. We are closing TH tag. After that, opening the TH tag, we are giving some name. After that, we are closing the table tag. We are going to close the body and head. I'm going to close the HTML tag. We'll get the output like this. In this is the rows and columns. We are using the table tag, name, subject, one, student name like Pooja. We'll getting subject is Max. After that, second person, second, we'll getting Sai, and we are getting the subject is ES. Like we'll get the output like this for table tag. For table elements, we are after the table element, we are getting some input reading constant of the user browse. We get the element of the one or more of the following elements we are using in from the HTML tags, like input tag. After that, text area. Text area is given the buttons. Buttons we are using for creating the web pages. Selection. We are selecting the number of languages like that. Options. Next, OPT ground, field set, label, outputs. In that doc type HTML, HTML body, HTML from with radio buttons, action of the page, and in this radio button we are giving the name of the names, and radio button we are giving the CSS means cascading style sheets. We'll get output like this. The form of radio buttons. This is a radio. If you are clicking in here HTML, we will get the information of HTML. After that, if you are not if you want CSS means if you want to click like this here, we'll get the output of CSS cascading style sheets. After that, JavaScript. In this form tag, we'll get output like this. If the registration form is enter the personal information. If you are entering the full name, after that give your mail ID and enter your password. It will ask again the confirmation of the password, and enter your gender, male or female, others, and you have to enter your address also. After that, after completing the full form of the registration, we have to sign up. Okay, thank you.